tape this.
Okay, where's the reel?
Right here. Bring me that reel.
You got the sleeve on there too?
Alright, so the dog's been in the water for about 20 minutes now. Dave, he's starting to go in. Let's clip up and go.
Go. Go, see you now.
Alright, so the dog's been in the water about 20 minutes. The officer tried to make an attempt to get it. They locked up. They got the... Stay to the right on the ice.
Stay on the hard ice. Stay on the hard ice until you get in front of him.
So now he's heading out. Let's try to get the dog. Just about on him. Just about on him.
Put the catch pole.
Got him?
Nice.
Got him?
Get him up on the sled with you.
No, he's pretty friendly. He's just nervous. Whoa. Not too much, not too much, not too much.
Yeah, easy. Pull.
You got it? Grab his collar.
Pull. It don't matter.
There you go.
All right, perfect.
There you go.
Bring him. There you go. Bring him more. Yeah, for real.
Where's that towel?
They got it in the There you go, y'all. Eddie, you know those sit out, right?
You got it on video?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, get a blanket on it.
Send it to me. I forgot. I should have.
Alright, so the officer got here first, tried to go out on the ice, was given an order to come back off because he was on the ice by himself, and the firefighters got here, and now the dog is okay. Good job by everybody.